Hello, we're back for another tour in not just one of our favorite 55 plus communities here. We're going to show you 3 more models. Listen, I will tell you, I have one favorite. I'm not going to tell you which one it is yet.
Okay.
Out of all these models.
Okay.
These 3 are awesome. They got some names that are a little hard to say. Marseille.
I think it's Marseille.
Marseille. The Killarney and the Mont Blanc. That one's a fun one to say.
Yeah. My name is Mark. This is Jeff. We're with the Charleston Area Living Group. This is your first time seeing us on camera. We talk about all things Charleston and Summerville, South Carolina. So if you want to know more and be in the know on the market in the Charleston area, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now let's get to it. Let's go check out these models.
55. It's not.
No jazz hands.
All right, so the first 4 Seasons Lakes at Cane Bay house we're seeing today is the one I have trouble saying the most, Marseille, whatever it is, it's a loft. It starts out at just over 21, I think it's 2159 square feet. And with the loft, which this one has, it has a almost 3,000 square foot, but check out this front porch. Beautiful area to sit in. A lot of these models have the ability to go from like a sitting room, a formal dining room, another bedroom, but across the hall here there is a laundry room that goes out into the garage. Look at some of the shelving and storage they put in here. Then back here is one of the secondary bedrooms. In addition to the secondary bedroom out here, there is a full-size bathroom here, a full bathroom, not full-size, but look at the size of this big open room. And this is an optional sunroom that you can do so. And then I believe that the porch can get bigger with this one, but really open space. And the master bedroom, I feel like they're French.
Okay.
And then the Killarney is obviously Irish.
Ah.
All right, so this here, check this out. These are in all the homes. This is, ooh, pretty lights, like a Christmas tree. So that's where all the techie stuff comes into the house. In these models, you could put a, oh my goodness size, bring all your friends and neighbors over size shower to take together type thing. So as you remember from some of the other videos, oh, see, hear that? No matter when we do videos, there's always landscaping people doing it. It's like other realtors in the Charleston market know when we're trying to do videos and they pay off the landscaping people to come screw up our videos. These berms back here. Spent a lot of money in these berms, really make it nice so you can't kind of feel like you're right up against the next house. One of the things with this neighborhood too is you have the ability to do the vinyl siding or the hardy plank. Now, not on the water. If you're putting a house on the water, you have to do the hardy plank. So upstairs living room, this could be another bedroom. So really you could make this into a total of 4 bedrooms. Well, totally big enough. Let me show you a sign in the bathroom here. Thank you for using designated bath or restrooms elsewhere in the model park. That means is no using that toilet. Had a client make that mistake one time.
Oh.
Always pay attention to that. This one is the Marseille, whatever it is, available in loft. Starts about 2,100 square feet, up to 3,000. Let's go see the next one. Hey, so we're in front of the Killarney now. This one is a loft. We're going to show it to you. It's the Killarney 2 loft, and this is 2745. It has 2 bedrooms downstairs, but we can add the 3rd upstairs. Another interesting thing about this model is the garage here is used as their home design studio. So when you purchase a house here and you build from the ground up, you get to come in here and pick all your everything. But you'll see inside the front door, the garage should be over there. That's their design studio, and there's a bedroom up here at the front of the house. Little kind of mini walk-in closet kind of a thing there. Totally big enough. So once you're out into the main hall, you can see there's an office space here on the left. Really nice area. You can also use this as another bedroom. You've got multiple options for it. But look at this room. So I will say there's a couple things in here that are no longer options in this. So they used to have the ability to put all of these shelves and cabinets over here, but honestly, nobody ever bought it. So they stopped doing that as an option. This is actually a 12-foot ceiling, and this is now, I believe, a 10-foot ceiling that you can do. So you can't do the 12-foot option, but you can see how big it is. But lots and lots of light. This is actually probably one of the best models for having a ton of windows at the back of the house, so you can see out on the lake here. It's just gorgeous. And back here into the main bedroom, tons of light in here also. Now these windows up above here are no longer available because when they drop the ceiling down, now there's no room for those windows. So main bathroom here, yet another one. You can bring friends with you. And then always a nice big closet. And the tech room is in here also. So whenever all of the technology comes into the house for internet, all that kind of thing, it comes into one space. Let's go check out the upstairs. So up the top of the steps, another big open living area and another full bedroom into full bath. Oh, they got bunk beds back here. All right, so this is the Killarney 2. Any questions on this one? Let us know.
So now we're over at the Mont Blanc, or as Jeff would say, Mont Blanc.
Stop, it's more fun to say that way.
This is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2444 square feet. Still got a beautiful front porch on there. You'll notice the really wide entryway as you're coming down through. What I really like about coming through here down at Model Row is you really get to see all the design selections. So when we go inside, you're gonna see a little bit more of a beachy feel, a little bit lighter. So let's go check it out. Notice how huge this entryway is. To the immediate left, you have a secondary bedroom and then an office up here as well. This office is a little tucked away, so it's nice. Still really, really deep though, so it feels really spacious as well. You're gonna notice how wide open it is.
Yeah, it really is. Look at the size of that island.
Yeah, you could put like queen size bed on there, probably.
Right?
So if your wife kicks you out of the bedroom, you don't even have to have a spare bedroom. You can just sleep right on this. It is a gas community, so you'll notice the gas cooktop in this one. You've got the double oven over here to the right, microwave up here, refrigerator. So all of this cooking stuff is out of the way of your preparation. It's beautiful. So this one has a couple of different additions. So you've got the sunroom added there, which is an extra cost, of course. In the back here, you've got one of Jeff's favorite porches where it's covered on 3 sides. So it kind of really protects you. Again, you're gonna see the berm in between here and the street in the back. And then let's head over to the master bedroom. Big huge master, you got the tray ceiling in this one. That's an option as well. All right, so here's the big shower that Jeff was talking about. You could definitely have multiple people in here if that's your thing. Right?
Yes.
And almost all of them come with this hand that you can install if you want to. I believe it is an added feature that you have to add the cost on. Linen closet here. This one doesn't have shelves in it, but obviously that's a linen closet. Toilet area, and another big wide open closet. We head over here, we're gonna see this huge laundry room and butler's pantry area. You've got multiple pantries, so you have one to the right there, and then the huge one on the left. So this one doesn't have the loft. It's one of the really, really nice models though, called the Mont Blanc. If you want more information on this one, just let us know.
So 4 Seasons, Lakes of Cane Bay, we've now seen models number 4, 5, and 6. We've got 3 more to go. There's 9 out here total.
Good job, buddy.
Math is fun.
Yes.
So listen, if you're looking to buy in 9 days, 9 weeks, 9 months, 9 years, we're here to help you. You can like and subscribe in this channel to see videos all the time about the area, Summerville, Charleston.
Yep. All our contact information is down below in the description as well, including a link right into our calendars. So
yeah,
we would love to talk to you whether you're here close or you're far away. We can schedule a Zoom call, or you can schedule an in-person meeting if you're here locally. Yes.
If you're ever on a Zoom call with Mark, make sure you tell him he has to stand up because he loves to do Zoom calls with no pants on. I'm just letting you know. Picture that when you're on a call with us.
Not true.
A little bit true.
Let us know if we can help you. We look forward to seeing you on the next video. See ya.